Good evening. Shocking claims of sex in schools, child pornography, and now yet another multi-million-dollar lawsuit against Metro schools.
Lawyers say young girls were victimized in a vicious game nicknamed Exposing, and the schools did nothing about it. As News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us, the disturbing allegations are now going to federal court.
The lawyers for these girls say their cases should be a concern for any parent. We're talking about the alleged recording of sex acts in the schools and then the dissemination of what is child pornography.
There's no shame and no punishment.
Attorneys Mary Parker and Stephen Crawford say male students are doing something bad in some Metro schools.
They call it exposing. They take these girls and they record, videotape sexual activity, and then they disseminate it at the schools and then online and call it this name. It's so prevalent that they've given it a name, and the name is Exposing.
The emotional impact on them is horrible. They're shamed for it throughout the school. They end up dropping out of school.
Parker and Crawford first filed a federal lawsuit naming Hunters Lane High School, and now a second lawsuit naming Maplewood High School.
Well, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Crawford says they're working on at least 3 other similar cases. The lawsuits accuse Metro of not properly acting after the incidents were reported by parents and not complying with federal Title IX laws to protect female students from sexual harassment. Crawford and Parker also say the sharing of a sex tape involving a 14-year-old girl should lead to criminal charges, but so far has not.
It is child pornography. The videotaping of sexual activity with children is child pornography.
So where do we stand legally? Well, we know there are the civil rights lawsuits filed in federal court. What we don't know is whether or not Metro police are investigating a potential criminal aspect to these cases. In Nashville, Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
And late today, Metro Police confirmed they investigated the Hunters Lane incident, but that resulted in no charges. It's not clear if a police report has yet been filed in the Maplewood case. Metro school officials say they take the allegations seriously, but cannot comment tonight because of pending litigation.